Hello, everyone. Good evening. Um, good evening to all. Welcome back with the puzzle page. We have two puzzles left in the puzzle page, not in today's newspaper on Monday, April the 17th, 2023. No, it's the newspaper of last weekend. Yes. Saturday, April the 15th, 2023. We have here two puzzles left in the puzzle page. 3-star Sudoku. Well, actually, it's a 1-star because this one has 27 printed digits. And a binary puzzle 10 by 10. But in this newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles. I will do this also, the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, and the tectonic. Well, let me start with this one. The first one is a 1-star puzzle. It's indicated with 3 stars, so, well, is it really a 3 stars? We don't know. But this will be number 6288. Yeah. And I've told you before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one, I've already counted 27 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers. Then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for a 3-star puzzle, actually, you need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. But yeah, with 27 printed digits, well, I need to be faster than 15 minutes for 1-star. Alright, we'll see if this is really a 1-star. So let's get started. Alright, let me see. How about 3 missing numbers in this row? One of the missing number here in this row is number 1. We have a 1 in this big square, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1. Should be there. 7 in this column. 7 in that column, so the column between. The only place left for the 7 should be there. Alright. 7, okay. Then. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2, 3, 8. 2, 3, 8, 2, 3, 8, 2, 3, 8. And look, we have a 2 and a 3 in this column. So no 2 and a 3 in this box. 2 and a 3 goes in those 2 boxes as pair. 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. We have a 2 in this row. No 2 there. 2 should be here and the 3 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 8. Alright. Then. The 1 in this row. The 1 in the middle row. So the row above. The only 2 places left for the 1 should be here. Oh, there we see 1 in the last column. No 1 there. 1 should be there. 3, 6, 8. 3, 6, 8. Then. Let me see. Well, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number in this row is number 6. We have a 6 in this big square, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. So the 6 could be here, or there in this row. Here, or there. We see a 6 in this column, so no 6 there. Here, 6 in that column, so no 6 there. The only place left for the 6 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in that column. So the column between the middle column. The only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in the middle row. No 9 there. 9 should be there. 9, 9, and 8. 9 and 8. Okay. Alright. Alright. Then. Let me think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this row. Oh, wait. 2 missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 7 and 8. We have 7 and 8 in this row, 3rd row, so no 7 and 8 in these 3 boxes. The 7 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7 and 8, 7 and 8. And look, we have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. 1, 3, 4. Okay. 7, 8, 8. Well, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have an 8 in the last row, so no 8 in these 3 boxes. Here, an 8 in this column, no 8 in those 2 boxes. So the 8 in this big square could be here, could be there. 8 in the last row, 8 in one of those 2 boxes in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. And look, we have an 8 in this column, so no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. The 7 and the 8 is missing. 3, 6, 8. 3, 6, 8, 3, 6, 8, 3, 6, 8. And look, we have 8 in this row. So no 8 in these 2 boxes. So the only place left for the 8 in this big square should be there. So the 3 and the 6 are left. We have a 3 now in this column, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with 8. We have an 8 now in this column, so no 8 there. 8 should be there. 1 box left now in this column for the 1, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. Then. 2 missing numbers in the last column for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6, 2 and the 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright. Okay. Need a 1 here. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in the middle column, so no 1 there. So the 1 could be here, could be there. 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the third row, 1 in the second row. So the first row, the only 3 places left for the 1 should be here, here, or there. We see a 1 in the first column, no 1 there. Here, 1 in the second column, no 1 there. So the only place left for the 1 should be there. Then. Let me see. 9, okay. How about the 8 in the third row, 8 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in the first column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the first column, 8 in the second column. So the third column, the only 3 places left for the 8 should be here, here or there. We see an 8 in this row, no 8 there. Here an 8 in the middle row, so no 8 there. So the only place left for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used, I can see. This is one, number 8. How about the 1 then? Nope, 1. How about the 3 then? No. The 3 missing number. Oh, 1 box left in the first row for the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 3 missing numbers in this second row. One of the missing numbers is 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 3 is missing. Well, we have a 3 in this column, so no 3 there. Here 3 in the third column, so no 3 there. So the only place left for the 3 should be there. 4 and then 9 for the 9. Okay. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9. We have a 9 in the last row, 9 in the row above, so that row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 second column, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in the third column, 9 in the second column, so the first column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in the third row, so no 9 there. 9 should be there. 1 box left in the second row for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 1, 3, 4. Yeah, 2, 6, 5. 2, 6, 5. Need to wait here. Let me think. 1, 3. 1, 3. Yeah, the 3 in the in this row. 3 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 3. I should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the last row. So the row between, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this column, no 3 there, 3 should be there, 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 3 should be there. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the 1, the 2, 3, the 4 is missing. 1 box left in the middle column for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 7 in this row, 7 in the last row. So the row between, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in the first column, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in the first column, 7 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this row, no 7 there, 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can't see. Digit number 2, number 7. Alright, 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. You see a 1 this row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for them as the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 4 goes at there. And all the 1s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 1. Alright. 2 and 4. Okay. 2 and 4. Alright. 4 and 5. 4 and 5. 4 and 5. 4 and 5. We'll need to wait. How about 5 and the 2? Yeah, 2 missing numbers in the third column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 2 and 5, 2 and 5. We have a 5 in this row. No 5 there. 5 should be here. The 2 goes there. Then. How about? Let me see. Yeah. With all the 9s, and all the 9s are used. I can't see digit number 4, number 9. Alright. 2 and 4. Well, come on. 2 and 4 and 5. Need a 5 here, need a 5 here. Need a 5 here, 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. So we have a 5 in this column, 5 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. You see a 5 in this row, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in the last row, 5 in that row. So the row between, the only place left for the 5 should be there. Then 2 missing numbers in this big square for them as the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, the 4 goes at there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for them as the 1. The 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, the 4 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for them as the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for them as the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 4 in the first column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, the 6 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for them as the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6, 2 and the 6, 2 and the 6. We have a 6 in the first column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Told you. Need to be faster than 15 minutes for 1 star. Definitely a 1 star, not a 3 stars. We solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, in the flow, we will solve this in a flow. And if you like this, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in a minute with the binary puzzle 10 by 10. Until then, bye bye for now.